In today's video, I'll show you how to make the transition to clean eating easier and less overwhelming. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips that will help make your transition into a clean lifestyle much easier. Keep it simple by starting with one of these 5 tips today, or go ahead and try all 5 in order for some extra motivation. Clean eating might be easier for some people if they already have a fairly healthy way of eating. But for others, transitioning to clean eating can be as jarring as a physical move from one state to another. There will be a little bit of an adjustment period as well as a conscious awareness to step away from bad choices. First, you need to eat between 5 and 6 times a day to make it easier on your body. This will keep your energy up and your desire to snack down. It can also help you eliminate the cravings for foods that aren't good for you. There are 4 things you need to make sure you have with your meals and snacks when you're practicing clean eating. Make sure that you have protein, a fruit and a vegetable with meals, a complex carb. The protein will help you keep your energy level up. It doesn't have to be something big. For example, if you need protein with your snack, then opt for a serving of unsalted, unprocessed nuts. Second, make label reading an automatic part of your shopping. Remember that the more ingredients that are listed on the label, the further away from clean eating the food will end up being. When you're choosing clean eating, there should only be 1, at the most 2, things listed on the side of the can or bag. Watch labels for potassium bromate, artificial sweeteners, trans fat, food dyes, BHA and BHT, monosodium glutamate, and avoid these ingredients. If it's possible for you to choose organic food products, then do that. As part of a clean eating plan, organic foods are free of harmful pesticides and GMOs, both of which can be harmful to your health. Third, make sure that you get plenty of water. Clean eating means making sure that you're maintaining a healthy water intake. You should have at least 64 ounces of water a day. Fourth, if possible, get the entire family involved in clean eating. Not only will this make it easier for you, but it's healthier for them too. If you start kids out on a healthy eating plan when they're younger, they'll already know how to make good choices when they're older. Fifth, because clean eating can be a little bit more time-consuming than just grabbing that processed food at the store, you'll want to find ways to make it easy to stick to this way of eating. One of the ways that you can do that is to package the foods that you eat yourself. This means that you can go ahead and chop, cut or cook the foods in advance so that on those days when you're short on time, you can grab something that's healthy and stick with your plan. That concludes today's video. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell below. See you soon for another video.